Day Hello, day 5. We're doing day 5 algorithmic trading with Python, making our own AI using PyTorch and Python. I'm actually really excited because we got it working last week. We actually have the algorithms actually working. Now what we have to do next is tune. We need to tune, we need to optimize it because even though it processes the data and it learns some things, we're noticing this screen is unchanged. So if you're just resuming back in from day 4 and you're on day 5 now, the screen is exactly the same. We didn't touch it. We're just moving from here. But I did have some thoughts over the weekend on how we can optimize and make some improvements. One of the things is obviously pre-embedding, because every time we input data into the model, it has to regenerate the embeddings, which are static. They're basically static. We could basically they're vectors, right? So we can store these vectors as pre-embeddings if we wanted to, because it's just a bunch of wasted compute every single time. And so as we're putting data through the model, it's computing the data on these embeddings. It's just thrown away. So we could either cache it. That would actually be kind of an interesting idea. We could cache it and then just go from there. So actually, let's write that down. That'd be options. We could cache it. We could cache it, or we could just do it. Hey, Ashford, how's it going? Welcome on in. We're doing our AI algorithm we're gonna trade. We're gonna trade, make some money. We're gonna make some money. Actually, I'm kind of excited. We're talking about the embeddings right now because you know what we did. Every time that we run the data through the model, it has to re-embed it. Hey, Eddie Legendary, how's it going? Welcome on in. Good to have you. Greetings from Berlin. DJ Lex 4627. How's it going? Happy to have you in here. I'm really excited to see if we can get our model working. Hey, Not Owen, how's it going? Any downtime today? Yeah, you know it, because of Amazon. Amazon having some, we rerouted. You got it. We rerouted. That's what we did. You know it. Not Owen. That's exactly what we did. We have all of Amazon's availability zones and all their across all the continents. And we've got PubNub running there, like a full, complete replica of our PubNub infrastructure, because our data replication layer is full mesh. It's a full mesh replication model. So if one region goes down, that's actually completely fine. All the other regions are unaffected. And then we just automatically route the data over to those regions, and you're good to go. Yo, how's it going? Hey, Brone MBLVK, how's it going? Happy to have you here in the stream. We've got some time here. I do have a meeting. I was just looking at here in my calendar. I want to double check. So I got a meeting at the top. And thank you for all the likes, you guys. Thank you for the likes. Appreciate it. We've got a meeting here in about an hour. So I've got about an hour, less than an hour. So 1:30 my time, I got to go. And then I might be able to be back a little bit later today. We'll see. Thank you for the likes, you guys. I'm really excited. So yeah, we did have some downtime with the AWS. We had some problems because we do have another vendor that helps manage our website. They are also running on Amazon, and they run in the one region where Amazon has the biggest outages, and they don't have any redundancy built in. So we had to scramble to build off-site the website, and in order to get the homepage back up. I know that's like not the critical part of the infrastructure in terms of our uptime from our message bus capabilities. We still had problems with that too, because we're obviously, that is our largest region. Why is US East 1 the largest region in the world? Everyone puts their systems there. Everyone puts their systems there. That's the reason why it's the largest region. And when that goes down, everyone goes down. Everyone has problems. And so that's what is PubNub? No, it's your company, but what does it do? What does it do, Eddie Legendary? So we connect. We're a communications API. We're a communications API. We make it really easy for you to build apps that communicate. So things like chat messages that you see here, you're seeing on the chat messages on the YouTube. You could also do multiplayer games. You could do telemedicine. So if you've ever used like Teladoc or any other kind of telemedicine application, there you go. That's one of the things. Naruto and Rough Times in the Duals Tech Corridor today. You got it. You got it. I know, not Owen. It was crazy. Amazon, I was, all these alerts and alarms going off. It was like, what's going on? Well, Amazon decided to push some upgrades in the middle of the night, which, it kind of makes sense because that's when the least number of people are using their US data centers, in the middle of the night. So might as well do it then. However, the update, it didn't work. So they couldn't roll back. I know, it's crazy. Eddie Legendary, oh, that's so cool. Dude, I think it's really cool. I think it's amazing. it's in we have a lot of games on our system. We have a lot of also things that you would never expect, like logistics and fueling, right? So like transportation, a location of vehicles and assets, and tracking and those sorts of things is really cool. Yo, Legend Pro Blocks. Legend Pro Blocks. How's it going? Thank you for the likes, you guys. Thank you for reactions. We're just chatting about the AWS problems that just happened. Yeah, we had some issues. Yeah, we had to route around it. We're lucky because, well, I wouldn't say lucky. Let's not say lucky. Let's say intentionally designed and built with redundancy and fault tolerance in mind. We did a really good job in preparing. That's a much better word. Preparing for individual data center and regionality outages, because we've deployed our infrastructure in such a way that it can be globally available to all regions. So even if other regions go offline, we're completely fine. Those other regions are unaffected, and we can route all the traffic to the other regions. So we're a little bit beyond lucky. Hey, Mohammed, welcome on in. Happy to have you here. Good to see you. Good to see you. Happy Monday. Oh, that's true. I sent a message from where I'm at to your last stream, something with that QR code. You did, Eddie Legendary. I took a screenshot of that and I sent it over to our marketing team. I was like, hey, we actually have a problem. And Eddie Legendary, you were there. You showed up in the screenshot. You were on our Slack. So people at my company, they're like, who's this Eddie Legendary? Who's Eddie Legendary? They're like all wondering and stuff. That was you. That was because of you. Hey, Solo Bolo Clips, how's it going? Hello, how are you? We're doing good. Even with the AWS outages and problems, we're actually doing okay. We've routed around it. We're in a good spot. We're waiting for all the things to get back to normal. Hey, Joe Deb 999, can you create a leap year code? Wait, what do you mean? I mean a leap year, like, so leap year or leap century. Isn't there like a leap century, or isn't it every 400 centuries there's like a leap century as well? You could do that. Absolutely. We could create, that would be a lot of fun. Joseph, how's it going? Salute. Happy to have you here. Not one. The PubNub uptime status page looked really good compared to what we had to deal with in NA and East today. You did. I know. Not one. It is. It's because we've intentionally designed and architected our system to be built in a distributed we made it work everywhere. And we not only made it work everywhere, but it's also complete separate independent copies that work everywhere. So it's a full mesh global replication model. It's really powerful. It's one of our strongest capabilities that we have patents on. We have patents on this, everyone. Who could it be? I know who could be that Eddie Legendary person. Who is that Eddie Legendary? So we're doing good on our AWS side. Our website's back up. We got all of our traffic is rerouted. So everyone is able to communicate as if nothing is currently going on, and it's great because we can still rely on Amazon as a vendor. One of the things they're going to be pushing, Amazon's going to be like, well, we have all these other regions, so like you probably should have been using them, these other regions. You don't need to use Virginia. Like that's going to be what they're going to say. That's going to be like their explanation. Like we have 99.9% uptime as long as you use our other regions, You know, that's what they're going to say. It's like, hey, we've got the redundancy. It's right there at your finger. And we took advantage of that. We did. Like, that was our design from the very beginning. From the very beginning, day one, we wanted to make sure that we're globally available for these exact scenarios. And it paid off. That additional planning and preparation, we did a good job, you guys. We did a good job. Why AWS down today? We've got the actual insights. So we do. We have the insights. It is under NDA, but maybe what I could say is... they pushed some upgrades to an underlying data system that also had triggered. There's very specific words I want to say, but they told us under NDA that we can't describe it. So I can't like broadcast it to the world here on YouTube. They're going to be losing so much money for this. I know, right? Solo Bolo Clips. They are. It's like we were just talking this morning, like how much money do they lose per minute when they're not able to sell or lease the compute that they currently have paid for? How much are they losing per minute that they are not able to collect because no one can use their system to pay them for it, let alone having like any sort of credits, for, future payments due to SLA downtime. SLA downtime credits, right? So that's what they're going to say, though. They're going to say, hey, we've got all these other regions. Everyone, if you're going to rely on Amazon, you need to have this extra redundancy. Happy Diwali, Blue. Yep, you got it. We've got all the Diwali happening. We get the Diwali. I forgot. That was right. That was actually mentioned on our Slack. That was mentioned on Slack. So happy Diwali as well. There's good things to celebrate. There are good things to celebrate. So we did good on the Amazon outage. We're doing good and we're fine. So we're good to go. How much do you think relies on AWS without a redundancy before today? Oh, a lot, right? I think it's like a lot, because we've seen this before. We've been around many years, actually long enough where we've been around when they first got it started with their Virginia data center. What happened with Amazon, Eddie Legendary? It's so I can't say the specifics, though. I can say that they had some routing, and there's I'm trying to figure out another word to use that doesn't expose like the secrets. I'm trying to figure it out. All I can say is like basically it's routing or networking. I would say some sort of routing and something to do with the networking layer. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, I know. It's pretty good. I could say that. But you know what? Their hardware is fine. Their power is fine. Electricity is good. The cooling's fine. Like everything from that. It's just a networking layer thing. And I can leave it at that because it's vague. It's vague enough. What do you think about Charlie Kirk? That sounds like a political figure. Beckham Hunter 2025. That sounds like a political figure. So that's at least from the AWS side. I know they're still having issues, right? So they're still having issues right now. I was just like wondering if Amazon was down. They were. I think they still are. Let me check really quick. Let me click some buttons here. Let me see here. Data. There we go. Let me click this real quick. I'll be able to check it really quick. Data. I don't see. It is. I have a link. We have a link right here. Click this button, that one, and then we click this here. Okay. Let's see what it says. Are they still having issues? Impacted. So it looks better than it was. Oh wait, no. Never mind. Hold on. It's going the wrong direction. Hold on a second. Wait. We are investigating increased error rates and latencies for multiple AWS services in the US East 1 region. We will provide another update in the next 30 to 40 minutes. And that was 30 or 40 minutes ago. And you know what? I'm looking on the screen here. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if it's going to show up, but it says the number. I'll probably have to pull it up here. Let me send it over. Let me send it over here. So it is health.aws.com. Let's see if we can figure this out. Is it possible for you to do a desk setup tour? A desk setup tour? Oh, you want to see like what everything looks like here? Yeah, we could do that. Beckham Hunter. Okay, whatever. Wait. What do you think about Charlie Kirk? Yeah, that's a political figure. Yeah, we talk about computer science. We keep things computer sciencey here. Computer sciencey. Health. Let's see. Health.aws.status. Here we go. Look at this right here. I was just looking at this. This is crazy. Look at this. Here's the reason. The number of services is going the wrong direction. It was like in the 90s, and now it went up to 105. What are they doing? They're going the wrong direction. They're supposed to make it better, not worse. What happened? Is that the service health link? Yeah, this is the service health link. You got it. I read some blogs. It was a DNS error. That's where it started. But it was a little bit more than that, where servers failed to communicate with each other. Pretty much that's what it was. Eddie Legendary, I know. It's crazy. It's going the wrong direction. The wrong direction, you guys. So we'll see here. The good news is, as long as you're just deployed somewhere else, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about it. It's all US East right now. It's all US East. There we go. That's the problem. And there you go. They're gonna be saying, though, they're definitely gonna be saying, you know what? Just use our other regions, and then you'll be fine. And they'll be like, they're gonna mention that. They will. That'll be part of their statement. That'll be part of the statement. Okay. So is AWS Amazon? Sorry if that's a dumb question. Yes, it is. Eddie Legendary, you're right. AWS is Amazon Web Services. It's also Amazon.com. Yeah, you got it. What would be the reason for that? The servers not being able to communicate. Because if DNS, right? If the domain name service isn't working and you've got names that are associated with different services within Amazon's network, inside of Amazon's network, then services that are doing certain tasks, that depend on each other. That's actually what the real issue is, that depend on each other. They're not able to communicate because if DNS doesn't work, then they can't connect to each other. There's other things going on though. There are other things going on, and that's why you see here on the screen, it's going the wrong direction. We see here impacted services, 105. That's crazy. Hey, what's up, Steven? It's Coyote. Hey, Coyote, welcome back in. I remember you from Friday stream. Thank you for the likes, you guys. We're just talking about the Amazon affected downtime here. Oh, thanks. You got it. Happy to help you. Thank you for the likes, you guys. All right, Amazon, they're going the wrong direction. This needs to be impacted. It's got to go the opposite direction. It's like basically they should just have a star. Oh, they resolved 34 though. Check that out. They resolved 34. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Hey, Tech with LG. Good morning, Stephen. Thank you. Look, they resolved 34. So maybe they are making progress after all. I'd imagine this wasn't 100% internal to Amazon. Yeah, I'm actually kind of curious. So find out. Yeah, we'll find out. Thank you for the likes, guys. We'll see here. We'll see what happens. Hi, Steven. Good to catch your stream again. Cool, CJ29. Good to see you. Welcome back. We're just talking about how Amazon is having some issues today. We see here on their status page that they've got a lot of things that are impacted. Almost, if it should just a star, they should put like a star, like everything's impacted. Oh no. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Okay, here we go. Now let's see if we can get back. So I do have a meeting in about 30 minutes. Is it 30 minutes? Let me double check because I can't miss it. Okay. Yeah, about 30 minutes. So we have about 30 minutes left, and then I'll have to pop off here to a meeting. Are you helping with the Amazon thing? So Eddie Legendary, we did all the work earlier today, so we're all routed around all the problems. So we don't have to do anything else at this moment. At this moment, we're good to go. We use DNS to route around the problem. Hey, Kavard 101. Hey, welcome on in. Said hello. Thank you for being here. We were just chatting about AWS services. It seems like we're having a rough day. Amazon's having a rough day. They're having some issues. If you have the Amazon Echo device, you might not have had a good morning with it, because I was hearing some people were saying if you have an alarm set on your Amazon Echo. If you had an alarm set on your Amazon Echo, it didn't go off. It didn't go off today, so you didn't wake up in time. How come Google and? Good question. Google. Oh, and Google's having some problems too? Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Oh, dang. Here I've been complaining because we had some of our Azure servers go down. Oh, wait. So you're saying it's more than just Amazon. It's more than just Amazon? It was Azure and Google? Wait, I missed something too. I missed some episodes. What's the recap? Java, please. Oh, Kava like Java. Oh, Kava like Java. Kava like Java. You got it. Okay, Kava. Okay, Kava. Sounds good. I can pronounce how come Google and Azure aren't this bad? Oh, so I'm actually kind of curious. You bring up a really good point. Wait, let's check that out. So wait, Google status outage. Let's see. Is there a Google status Cloud House service? Is there anything problem? It looks green. Google looks green. Amazon's looking a real problem right now. So I don't see anything there. What about Azure? Azure cloud status. Let's see. What do we got? Azure status. Let's check this out. Impacted. No impacted services. So it seems like it's mostly Amazon, you guys. It's mostly Amazon. Imagine having an important meeting and your alarm doesn't go off. I know, Eddie Legendary, a lot of people were having that problem. They had that issue. Their alarm was on their Echo device. Azure was more local to South Africa. Oh, okay. So they just messed up here a little. Got it, CJ29. Thank you for the details. Guess what? Okay, so in that case, then this really is independent things happening all at once. Amazon and their AWS was affecting US East 1, which is their largest data center by far. This is in Virginia, right? In Virginia, where everyone hosts their servers. Everyone, including us. We do too. We host there as well. Isn't that amazing? Can you recap what you did thus far so I can break into quant? Okay, Kava. Yes, let's jump into it. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Let's jump into it. So we got about a half an hour left, and I got to jump to a meeting. About 30 minutes, and then I got to jump to a meeting. All right, so let's do this. Let's recap. All right, algorithmic trading with Python. We're creating our own AI. We are targeting volatile markets with lots of news events. Hello from South Africa. Good thing we aren't affected. Yeah, I know, right? I know. You're doing good over there in South Africa. You're perfectly fine. Good to go. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. So we got lots of news events with high volume because we want to be able to place our trades and then have them execute immediately because others are also having a similar price, right? There's a lot of trading. We need a lot of trades. We are using Y-Finance and PyTorch and Gemma and betting 300 million from Google. Hey, Erwin Deep 2063. Hello. Good to see you. Good to see you. We're just walking through real quick where we've been with our algorithmic trading. We actually got it to work. So here's the good news. We got it to work, but we need to optimize it. We need to make improvements. We need to tune it. So we're using NumPy. Actually, I should bring this up here. Let's bring this up because we're using NumPy as well. NumPy as well. Let me see here real quick. Oh, wait, 1 second. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. 1 second. Someone pinged me on the Slack, so I'm going to type it in really quick. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. There we go. All right. We had some symbols, right? We're going to target some symbols like that meet our criteria, right? So here at the top of the screen, we've got some criteria. Well, here we've got other criteria that are met with this. NL Pai, how's it going? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Welcome on back. Happy to have you here. We're doing some trading. We're doing some algorithmic trading. What is it? Day trading, I guess, right? Thank you for the likes, you guys. Please, when is the next hackathon happening? Oh, so we haven't even finished okay, so the hackathon here. So thank you for the likes, you guys. Oh, let's see here. Is this, we don't even have the screenshot anymore. It's gone. I deleted it. Whoops. Oh, well, that's fine. Here, we'll go back to our Discord here. So thank you for the likes, you guys. We did have a hackathon here. So you can see, we had a hackathon. It was a code quality hackathon. Tomorrow, we're going to walk through all the submissions because we're already past the day. So the October 17th was Friday, right? That was when the submissions were due. And then the announcements will be on Wednesday. We'll do Wednesday, awards on Wednesday. Tomorrow, though, we'll be walking through the code. We'll see all the submissions. And we're also going to be building a AI agent that does the grading for us. So we don't have to be you don't have to worry about bias or anything like that. We're just going to copy and paste this here into and make an AI agent that will be able to grade everything based on these criteria, evaluation points, and the AI will do it for us. It'll be really cool. AI grading assistant. The AI grades our work, right? That's going to be the future. Why is a human grading the paper when the AI can grade it for you using a common standard of evaluation points? That's what we'll be building that maybe later today if there's time, or we will do that tomorrow. We might do that tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see. And so in terms of the next hackathon, thank you for all the likes, you guys. We don't have it set yet, but we have to at least get it through October 22nd, which is a few days away. I thought about embedding something for grading. Yeah, that would have been great. That would have been a good one. If you had built your tool, if your submission was itself an evaluation, an evaluator AI agent, that would have been great. But yeah, we will be creating an AI agent that does the grading for us automatically. I think that would be a fair, right? It'll make everything fair and equal. Make it all fair and equal. So yeah, there's the answer on that from the hackathon perspective. Hey, how's it going, Swastik 8769? Good to see you. Remember you from previous streams. Happy to have you here. Good to see you. Eddie Legendary, does the AI help you choose what stocks to buy? I'm not good. What's this stuff? Oh, so you can do it differently. So Eddie Legendary, it's not about day trading. It's not necessarily about which stocks. It's about what the stocks are doing in relation to each other. So it's independent of what stocks to pick and more about what's happening with the stocks. And so good news is you can make money by just picking one stock, right? One symbol. And we'll try to see buy when we think it's going to go up and then sell before we think it's going to go down and then keep that going in a highly volatile, right? In a high volatility, we need that. Otherwise, though, that stock won't work, right? So you need that. So let's see if we can, where is it? Let's see here. Is it this one? Is it this one? It might be this. Nope, not that one. Is it this? Nope, it's not that one. Let's see here. 1 second. Let's see if we can find AI. We need to go into our trading here. Let's see here. Algorithmic trading. Perfect. Algorithmic trading. Here we go. So this is what we're looking for, right? We need things that look like this. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Thank you for all the likes. We need something that looks like it's volatile. Now, you might see here that this is looking over multiple months. We need it during the day because we need this level up and down during the day. So you can write, so BTC price, here we go. Watch this. So see, this looks good. This looks pretty good. So you can see this in a day. We might have some issues here. So let's annotate this right here. Let's annotate. Burn like that. We bring this up here. So we can annotate this. It's this right here. So this might be a problem. Right there, that's a problem for our algorithm. It's going to have some struggles right there. However, it'll work really well right here. Like it's going to work really well. And you can see that's over many hours. We could easily profit off of this type of traffic. It's perfect. Like it goes up and down like that. Perfect for our algorithm. I'm really excited to see if we can optimize it. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. And say, you know what? Our algorithm, it might have some issues here. Like see how it kind of jumps down there for a bit. You might lose a few dollars here, but on average, we'll be gaining some money. On average, we'll be gaining some money. Let me double check here. Or 1 second. Oh, wait, hold on. I have some news. 1 second. I have to read this real quick. 1 second. This is definitely, okay. Let's see here. 1 second. There may be more on external. Oh, is that it? That might, external. Oh, wow. Got it. Okay. Wow. Good find. That's amazing. Sorry, I can't tell you what I'm typing right now. I cannot tell you what I'm describing, but there is a thing that is very exciting that's happening right now that I'm very happy about. I cannot describe. Header in the seat were different. Got it. Okay. Makes sense. And on, yeah. Okay, cool. There we go. So I got really excited there for a second. Okay. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Dude, you're back. Oh, how's it going, Milan John 777? Welcome back on. Happy to have you here. I think I get if you do. That's really cool. I'm excited for it. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. Yeah. So that's the plan. That's what we're targeting. What do you think about NOF1 model testing? I don't know about NOF1 model testing. Thank you for all the reactions, you guys. Seeing all those reactions happening is really cool. Do not save. We're done with that. So what is this NOF1 model testing? I don't know what that is. Trading using Python. That's it. We're trading using Python. You can see up here on the screen. We're going to use some Python in our own AI. You guys. Let's see. Thank you for all the likes. Okay, here. What is NOF1? Let's see. NOF1 model testing. I don't know about this. What is this? It doesn't know that NOF1 can refer to a specific type of metal organic framework. What? I'm not pretty sure this is. I don't think that's what you're I'm pretty sure that's not what you meant. I'm pretty sure that's not what you were talking about. I'm pretty sure. Just recently getting into coding myself. What a crazy good idea. Thanks for sharing. Happy to help. Definitely. Hi. Are you making market predictor AI? You got it, meme coin. U6P. You got it, meme coin. That's what we're doing. Check it out. Search Alpha Arena AI model testing. Okay, let's find out. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. All right, let's see. You said Alpha Arena. Let's try it. Alpha Arena model testing. What is this? Okay. I think I might know it. Alpha Arena is a live crypto trading competition. Oh, is a trading competition where several large language models from major tech companies trade with real money in real time. That sounds kind of cool. That sounds really exciting. That does. I think that would be kind of neat to check out. But there's a lot of stuff here. There's a lot of stuff. NOF1. That's what you're talking about. NOF1. There we go. Alpha Arena. Checking this out. While the rest of us were still arguing about whether GPT-5 is marginally better than Claude at writing haikus, someone decided to give 6 different AI models $10,000 each and let them loose on the crypto markets. That's kind of neat. That is kind of a neat idea to see. With real money and autonomous trading, no human supervision, what could possibly go wrong? Welcome to Alpha Arena, the platform that asks a question that nobody was brave enough or reckless enough to ask. What if we benchmarked AI models by letting them gamble with the money? Gamble with the money? That sounds really neat. I'm actually kind of curious to see how it went. What happened? Did it work? I don't know. I don't know if it worked or not. But you know what? Since we only have about 20 or so minutes left, we have to get back to this here because we only have a little bit of time here. Hi, I'm new here. What is your goal? Okay, the goal is, here's the goal. I've got your goal. We're going to build an algorithmic trading AI with Python that targets very specific set of markets using these libraries. Here's some of the volatile volatile, like high volume markets that we're targeting, right? We'll start with BTC because there's a lot of data there. There's plenty of data. And then our input data will be the historical price data and some news headlines, right? And then the output will be signals to buy, sell, or hold. One of my favorite emojis is the coder emoji. I didn't even know that was a dedicated, is that a dedicated emoji? That one right there is a dedicated emoji. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Let's see, code. Is it? Wait, maybe laptop? Wait, which emoji is that? I'm actually kind of curious. See, code. Wait, laptop. Oh, wait, maybe engineer? Maybe is it engineer? Wait, what is that? What is this? I can't see it. It's not showing up. Oh, the emoji doesn't look good on YouTube. Oh, really? Okay, gotcha. Got it. It looks okay. It looks okay over here. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, here we go. So we are running Gemma and Beta with PyTorch transformer and an output classification layer with 3 outputs. So layer three possible outputs. It looks like this: buy, sell, and hold. That's what our outputs look like that. We're working good. So for you it looks good. It does, yeah. Eddie Legendary, I think it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good on my screen. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, you can kind of see it right here. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Thank you for the likes. Okay, here we go. Jim, wow, all those likes there show up. That's cool. So here we go. We did the training. So let's see here. We did the run. Let's see if we can run it again. We'll run it again. And what we need to do is we need to tune it up. It is, what is that? I'm trying to hover on it. Oh, here we go. Click. What is that? It is, can I copy and paste that? There is no, can I copy and paste it? It's not letting me copy and paste. Maybe, thank you for all the likes, you guys. All right, so you see here on the screen, we see a bunch of, it's training right now. It's training. It's not performing where I want it to perform. I need the loss to go below 1. The loss needs to go below and stay below 1. That's what we need. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Kingmaker. Hey, how's it going, Kingmaker? TS4WK. Happy to have you here. Kingmaker. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to tune and optimize our model to make it better. There was a couple of things I was thinking over the weekend. One of the ideas is to increase the number of layers that we're using. Maybe the model isn't training well enough because it can't remember because we didn't get enough parameters. We need to give it more parameters. It's called man technologist emoji. Is it? Okay, I'm going to try. Technologist. Let's see. Man technologist. Like I'm trying to find it. Let's see here. I'll bring it up here on the screen so you can see. I'll bring it up here. Hey, I'm doubled up here. Okay, so check this out. Okay. So let's see. Man technologist. Search for emojis. Tech. Oh, there we go. Perfect. All right. So click. Perfect. Click. We click it. Clicking all the clicks. All right. Perfect. Man tech. There we go. Technologist. Oh yeah. Just search for tech and we're good to go. Thank you for all those likes, you guys. We figured it out. All right. My favorite emoji. My favorite is this one right here. I like that one. That's my favorite. That's one of my favorites. All right. Let's see if we can make this better. Let's see if we can improve this. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Thank you for the reactions. All right. Here we go. Let's see. Number of layers. This is one thing that I want to try first. This is the first thing I'm going to try. All right, so you see here the default number of layers is 1. That might not be enough. We might need a few more than 1. We need a few more. Let's bring it up to 4. Let's bring it up to 4 layers. Cool emoji. I like it. I think it's a good one. I really like it. All right, here we go. So let's bring this up to 4. Let's just do it right here. Let's just happen right here. Why bother using it here when we can do it there? Let's try that. Let's see if we get an improvement. Do you think we'll get an improvement? I think we might. I think we'll see a little bit of improvement. Will it be so good that that's the only thing that we have to do and then we win? Is it going to be so good? No is the answer. That did not make it it made it a little bit better. Maybe a smidgen better. Hey, you got some YouTube emoticons there. You got some YouTube ones. I like that. So YouTube. Wait, how do you get that? YouTube. Obviously, YouTube, or is it YT? YT. Oh, there it is. It's YT. There we go. Perfect. We got the YTs. There you go. You got the YouTube icons. Excellent. Thank you for the likes, you guys. YT. You just got to type YT. So all you got to YT. There you go. YT. And you got turtle. You got a turtle. I like that one. I like turtle. Wait, TURT. There we go. Turtle. Excellent. Actual turtle. There we go. Turtle. All right. So that did not do as much as I wanted it to do, because you can see here our loss is still not all that good. It's not all that good. We need it below 1. I want it to be below 1. Thank you for the likes, you guys. So what do we do to do that? So I was thinking, can't search on the phone. Yummers 10. Got it. Got it, Yummers 10. That is unfortunate. Unable to get that on the phone. Unable to get it on the phone. All right. So what else can we do to make this better? What can we... Oh, we could probably try a different optimizer. Let's try stochastic gradient descent. Let's try SGD. We were going to do it originally, but then we're like, oh no, let's do Adam W. Let's do Adam W. Might as well try Adam W. Well, let's try SGD, which is my favorite of them all. And it's always done good for me. Where can you locate the win rate? Oh, the win rate. So you can kind of see it here. So kind of watch this. So this column right here, Control V, pop, right here. So watch this part of the screen. You can see here where it says loss. You can see where it says loss. Let me see here, right here. So you can see right here on the screen, it says loss. You want that to be below 1. You want it to be below 1. And what's happening is, oh, we should also pull in more data. We should pull in more data as well. I think that would be also very helpful. So we can double the amount of data that we're training it on. I think we can do that as well. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. So that'll be the plan. So what we can do is, don't forget your meeting, sir. Hey, we're good to go. We got another 15 minutes. We got 15 minutes and we're good to go. We don't have to worry about it. You got 15 minutes, Braun. Thank you for reminding me, because I'm like, I got to pay attention to the clock up there. So yeah, so we need to make this loss go below and stay below 1. So you know what? Let's just bring this down to 2. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Thank you for the likes. We got number of classes. It's going to be 3, which is the output, right? This is the output. Output classes. There we go. For example, yeah, thank you for all the likes, you guys. I'm new here. Okay, you're new here. Someone please explain to me what's happening. Thumbnail just said trading using Python, and you're curious. You're curious. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. We're trading. We're algorithmically trading with AI. We're building an AI. We're building an AI, and we're using Python, right? And so our model is using historical price data and news headline, and we're using the Gemma embedding, which is the latest embedding. Oh, thank you for all the likes, you guys. See all those heart icons show up there on the screen? I can see them. They're like floating all over the place. See, you can see all the see all the float hearts that happen right there. They just keep showing up. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Yeah, so that's we're building it using PyTorch and Y Finance as the data source. So we've got a couple things. Let's remind. So we have to remember. We have to remember what we're doing. We have to remember. Okay, so we need to do. Let's add more data. Let's add more data, and let's try SGD. Let's write that down. All right, so let's write that down really quick. Let's write that down. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Here we go. Let's make improvements. Let's do tuning improvements. Here we go. We want to. There we go. Oh, we could also change learning rate. Learning rate. Let's see if we could change that. Let's do SGD. All right, SGD. We also want to add more data. More data. Let's change batch size. Batch size. We could do that. What other things we could do? We don't need to do epoch. We don't need epoch. Let's see. Oh, hey. Interesting. Oh, what do you know? Okay, that sounds fine to me. That sounds perfectly fine to me. Okay, so we're... Oh, I closed the window. No, I closed the window. That's fine. We can reopen it. Let's see. Can we do this? Can we open this and say W? Okay, we did. We're good to go. So I hope that describes to you. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. What we're doing. That's what we're doing. We're doing that on the what the thumbnail said. Algorithmic trading AI with Python. That's what we're doing. So we've got it. We've got our model. It's all set up. Let's try. Oh, this is our dropout. We could also modify the dropout. I didn't even think about that. We can modify the dropout as well. Eddie Legendary says hello. Thank you for saying hello. Also for all the likes, you guys. Thank you for the likes there. The reactions. Okay, here we go. So where is our to-dos? Where is it? Did it wait. Oh no. All of it disappeared. Darn it. Did I not save it? What happened? I must not have saved it. We can retype it. Don't worry. We remember. Tuning and optimizations. Here we go. So we want, let's see, we need to do, let's bring that back. Let's bring it back. Nope. Oh, space, step back. And we want SGD. We want learning rate. Yep. Then we want, we could do batch size. Yes. What else do we want? We don't want epochs. We had one other thing here. What was the other thing? I forgot. Learning rate. We got the learning rate. We got the learning rate here. Learning rate. We got batch size, SGD. Oh, more data. More data. Pull in from download.py. We got a dedicated file to pull in the data, so we can pull in the data, more data. So that'll be helpful. Dat, you got it. Dat. I need to go now. It is 22:18. Eddie Legendary. So bye. Cool. Thank you for hanging out for a little bit. We'll see if we can optimization. Yeah, exactly. Let's see if we can do this optimization. There we go. Tuning. So I saved it. Let me close it real quick so we know we're good to go on that. Yeah, all right, looks good. Tuning and optimizations. There we go. That's the plan. So for today, we're going to do this. We're going to try this really quick. Don't forget to save. I did. I saved it this time. So, see right here on the screen, right here at the bottom of the screen, right here. So it says :W, right here at the bottom of the screen. I don't know if you can see it very well, but right here where my cursor is, :W, save, done. We did it. We saved it. Let's save it again. We'll save it again. Okay, let's save it one more time. Hello, I just want to ask about Linux distro you recommend to those who are trying it for the first time. Not Bunny 8X. Okay, we got the Omarchy. You want Omarchy because it comes with everything. Omarchy. There you go. Omarchy. There you go. This is the one. It is Arch Linux, which is going to be, a very, very minimal minimal distro, so it doesn't include like a lot of bloatware. And then it also includes a lot of common necessary additional applications that a lot of people use. It's going to include a lot of applications, so it's really worthwhile. So I would say this is a really good one, especially for beginners or Ubuntu. So that's between. So you're going to be doing Omarchy or Ubuntu. There you go, Ubuntu. Those are between those two. So Ubuntu will be easy. It's been around for a long time. It's been around for a very long time. Let's see where they're at. Let's see where AWS is at. Let's see what happened. Uh-oh. Wait, hold on. Wait, close that. Okay, let's see where they're at. I'm actually kind of curious. They said 30 minutes. Nope. We'll provide an update in the next 30 minutes. They didn't. It's been over an hour. They have not provided an update. Uh-oh. All right, let's see here. Hey, Steven. Are you implementing in the algorithmic trading with Python manually or just planning things out to have one of the AI agents do the implementation? So we did it manually. We built it manually. Malik, we did it manually. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. We built it manually. So we're already on day 5. We already built the core algorithm, and now we're modifying it to perform better. Because right now it's not performing good. It's not performing good at all right now. We can see. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. So that's Malik. That's the plan. So Malik, the what is it? Wait, hold on. Malik, your name is actually Malik. Hold on. Malik, the destroyer. Is that who you are? Wait, no. All right, wait, Malik. Malik? Anyways, never mind. We'll go into it. We won't read them. I just remembering that name Malik came up. Okay. Let's see here. All right. LOL. I know. I know. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. All right. Let's jump back into it. So these are the things that I want to do. We have 10 minutes. We have 10 minutes. Do you think we can do this in 10 minutes, you guys? My chat GPT isn't working. Every time I open it, it shows play integrity verification failed. Oh no. Joybed999. That's terrible. That's terrible. Oh no. Well, you might have to try out one of the other AIs to see if they're working. You might have to try out some of the other AIs. Let's see here. All right, we're looking good here. Okay, so let's see. Let's try SGD. Let's try this real quick. Let's do the SGD. So we changed it to SGD just now. Is it going to perform better? I don't know. Maybe. SGD, stochastic gradient descent, has always been my go-to. It is like the universal baseline. It's a universal baseline. Okay, it is actually doing a little bit better. A smidgen better. Oh, wow, it is. Actually, it's doing pretty darn good. Okay, so I'm a little bit more happy with that. We're seeing just a smidge better. So we're making incremental improvements, everyone. We're doing good. Okay, so it's not perfect yet, though. It's not. Wow, that is a lot better, though. That is a lot better. So you can see here, we're below 1 on most of these. We're below 1. So that's really good right here. That's really good. We're doing pretty good. Right? That's pretty good. Meeting time. I know. Meeting time. We got 8 minutes left. We've got 8 minutes. So we're okay. I gave some buffer. We gave some buffer. Thank you for the reminder, Mohammed. So I do have to get going. We have 8 minutes left to see what other things we can do to make them optimizations here. What else can we optimize so we can change the learning rate? Let's see. Let's make the learning rate really big. Let's make the learning rate really big and see what happens. Let's go a factor of magnitude larger. One whole factor of magnitude bigger. Is it going to explode or will it be better? Is it going to explode? No, that made it worse. That made it a little bit not as good. All right, let's bring it back. All right, let's jump back over here. Let's try making it a lot smaller. Let's go 2 factors. Let's just change it there. All right, let's close that. Wait. Hold on. Was it actually doing better? I mean, this is amazing right here. Look at that. That's amazing right there. That's amazing. Maybe we were onto something. All right, let's try a much slower learning rate. We're playing with the hyperparameters. We're doing the easy things. While that's going, let's see if we can also update let's go into our, what do you call it? Our download. Let's actually open up a new one. Let's close this. Here we go. And let's go to downloads. Hey, how's it going, Yami? Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Let's see if download.py. Okay. So we download the data and then we write it. So what if we add into it? What if we augment it? I think we could augment it. Let's augment it. Let's do that. So what I want to do is open as a read, and then we save open as a read, right? So it's open as a read, and then how do we read the data? So let's grab. So we'll call it load existing. We'll call it. Is this news? Yeah, I think we could do. Yeah, we'll just use news like that, and then we need to open it, and then. There, perfect. Hey, isn't that easy? Make it super simple. We're gonna make some improvement. All right, let's check to see if it worked better. Oh, you know what? That was fine. It didn't seem to make any much different on the learning rate. That didn't seem to make too much difference. I didn't see much different. Let's go ahead and bring that. Let's bring it back to here. Let's do that. Let's do it like that. I think that'll be neat. Wait, what are the activations? Hold on. Wait, what are the activations? Let's see here. Active. We don't know. I don't even know what the activations are. Attention, embedding. Okay. We'll deal with that later. Maybe we can optimize that later. We'll figure it out later. All right, let's add this onto our list. Here, thank you for the likes, you guys. Okay, we got 5 minutes left. 5 minutes. We can make a few adjustments and then we'll be good. So let's add this into our tuning. Let's do what was it called? Activations. Activations. There we go. Let's see if we can change those around. We might not get to this one today, but we'll try to get to more data. Let's try the batch size next. Let's try batch size. All right, let's jump over here. Let's see, batch. Here we go. Batch. Let's do 2. Let's try 2. Let's try a batch of 2. Let's see if that makes it better. It may or may not. You never know. You never know because the loss is based on what are you coding? Kill. What are we coding? Kill. All right, we are coding. And let's go. A algorithmic trading AI using Python, and we also have a few libraries that we're leveraging here. We're using PyTorch transformers. We're going to use Gemma embedding, which is something else that I might get rid of because it might be creating too much noise. Margin call. Yeah, no, Brandon Ward or Woodard. Brandon Woodard. What do you mean margin call? I mean, we could be calling some margins. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. So we might this will be one more optimization here. So we might convert this into instead of instead of Gemma, we might do scalar what is it called? Uniform scalar plus NLP. We'll go like right. We'll do something like that. So that'll be like giving up. I count that line right there. It's giving up. I got a question. What do you think really happened when everything went down? Oh, I actually know. I actually have the data. I have the information. But I can only say that it was network related for now. We can say that it was network related. Amazon had deployed or made some changes like they do. They did it early in the morning. Why not rewrite in NIM? Oh, right. The NIM programming language. Michaels, 2604. We could do some NIM. There's not, I mean, it will be faster. It definitely will be faster. Is there NIM PyTorch? Can you do NIM PyTorch? NIM PyTorch. Can you do that? Can you do NIM PyTorch? Is it possible? A NIM front-end for PyTorch. Oh, someone's done it. Someone's done this for us. Check it out. Oh, this is amazing. Does it support MPS or Nettle? It does. Ease of use with Python language while keeping fully. Oh, wait, that's not it. It may or may not. It may or may not support my setup. We could do NimTorch. We could do this in NimTorch, right? It basically could. PyNim. That's what we could do in PyNim. We could. All right, let's see. We have about 3 minutes left, you guys. We got 3 minutes. Okay. Let's see. So let's see if we can get. How did that do? Oh, that did not do good. wait. Did it do? Wait, that did interesting. Oh, it's actually made it very interesting. Look at this. Oh, you know what? That looks good. That looks a lot better than I thought it did. That looks very interesting. You guys, we made some improvements. Look at this. You remind me of Treeform. Treeform. What do you mean, Michaels? Michaels 2604. What do you mean, Treeform? What do you mean, Treeform? Thank you for the likes, you guys. Look, we made some changes. You know what? We might be doing way better than I thought. Look at this. Look at this right here. Oh, wow. Look how perfectly certain. I know what you're seeing on the screen is a bunch of numbers in an array, and you're like, I don't know why you think that looks good. Look right here. Check this out. And this number right here. See how it's really close to 1 and these other numbers are really low? That means it's a level of confidence. Look, this one right here. This is a sell indicator. This is a sell right here. It's like it says sell right now. Sell. This one also says sell. This one says sell as well. This one says hold. This one says hold, right? Let me double check. Hold on. Let me double check. Is it? Oh wait, no, that's a buy indicator. Sorry, I got it backwards. I know. This is a buy indicator. We got 1 minute left, you guys, and I got to get going. So that was a buy indicator. Look. So it says buy, hold, and then let's see what else we got. Do we have any sells? Yep, we got a sell. We got a sell right there. We got another sell. Ooh, look at more sells. Wait, no, that one's a buy. You got to read it correctly. This one is, it says buy or sell, but this is a sell right here. You guys, oh my God. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay, we actually have something that looks good. I'm trying to optimize something that might not need to be optimized. Oh, Treeform is a prolific NIM programmer. Oh, working at Reddit. A bit autistic and super smart. Cool. I didn't know about that. Treeform. Okay, good to know for the future. Thank you for the mentions. Okay, good to learn about stuff. You think I code to keep from disconnecting in the AFK game. In the away from keyboard game, what are you talking about? Okay, got to get going here. What is algorithm trading? This is where you have an AI or some sort of algorithm that automatically trade for you, so that way you can profit while you just sit back and let the computer do all the work for you. You don't have to do anything. All right, so I'm going to get through these chat messages and I have to get going, but we made progress. We made progress without having to do a lot of work. Isn't that amazing? Can we test this? Yeah, we can test this. We should test this. So that'll be some of the tasks coming up. So we've got really good buy and sell indicators that are really strong. They're really strong here. I'm very excited about this. So we will need to create some more data. So I'm going to pull in more data from the market. We need to finish our download script. We need to pull in more data. We should train the model and try to tune it a little bit more, and then we can test it against market data. I love how passionate you are, but I think there are a lot of clueless ones like me here. Hey, no worries, Yummers 10. We're good to go. I'll let you know what's exciting. I'll just at least let you know what I'm excited about, and you can probably see that's a positive thing. Brother, please tell me what you're streaming about. I'm new here. Hums El Yusuf. Yusfi. Okay. We have to get going because we've got a meeting that I'm late for now. Hit the like button, you guys, and follow on Discord. Oh yeah, that's right. We've got a Discord. We'll post anything there at least, and the code is free. Leonard, bye. We do have to get going. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. Guess what? Is this OS operating system? We are building an algorithmic trading program using AI in Python. Thank you, sir, for the session. Happy to help. We did some tuning and we were successful. Look at these indicators. I'm really excited about these indicators. These are looking really good. These are fantastic. Open source. You got it. It's on our Discord channel. This is open source. Let me commit the changes. Let me do that really quick before we head out. Git status. All right. Git add -- all. 1 second, because our download script might have been modified in a way that is a problem. It might be a problem here. Running late for my meeting. Okay, it seems fine. So the download script won't work. It won't work, but it's fine. It's totally fine. Can't wait for the profits. I know, me too. Sayonara. Hey, where are you going? We got a meeting. We've got a meeting we got to get to, you guys. We have a meeting and some other things that I got to get to. My reaction was the same when I got my model show results like this. Isn't it cool? It's really exciting and also very consuming. We have to be careful. One of the things that I'm going to be very cautious of is I'm not going to fall in the same trap that I did last time where it works so good. We fix it the next time. We're good to go. Okay, we'll fix it next time. So, bye. Got to get going. I will commit this. Would love you to try Nim. Yeah, Nim's a great language. It's fast. It's very fast. It's powerful. How do I find the Discord? Oh, we got you. We'll get you the Discord link real quick before we head out. Don't miss the meeting. I know we're already missing it. We're a little bit behind. Don't worry. It's okay. I'll be a little bit late. So here, I'll copy the Discord link for you here. Here's the Discord link. Jump in. We've got on our there's the Discord link, and then head over to the free resources, and the algorithmic trading for AI is right here on our Discord, everyone. And then we'll be back maybe a little bit later today if we have time. We have a hackathon that we have to do results for. We have to do the results for the hackathon, so we have to get ready for that. Thank you, everyone, for joining. We'll be back either a little bit later today or tomorrow, and we will be talking about the hackathon tomorrow. We'll be talking about the hackathon tomorrow and on Wednesday, but we'll be back to the algorithmic trading, and then after that, we'll be back into assembly. We'll be back on assembly probably next week. It was good to see everyone. Thank you for hanging out. We're headed out to our meeting. It was good to see you. We'll be back tomorrow or later today, but maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Bye, everyone. See. Oh wait, I'm gonna be real. I normally do public apps in C#. But I'm used Python for console lines. Small tools, cool. Sounds good. Jacob, it's actually really great language. It's really fun. C# is also fantastic. Okay, bye. Bye, everyone. Good to see you. We'll see you next time. See you guys. I'm clicking the stop stream button. Here we go. See ya. Bye, everyone.